Star speaker, Jacques Seguela, founder of RSCG.
Wow, 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 wow. Applause for you. So young, so great, and you love advertising, so I love you, and I fight for creativity. Look, who is this guy? It's me. It's me. 60 years ago, I arrived in for the first trip around the world with a 2CV Citroën. This car changed my life. But now, I am 85. And everything is okay. Look, look. Before I start, I need to say you something. It's totally between you and me. I have a problem. My English is French. So don't worry if you see me reading my notes. And worry even less if you don't understand what I am reading. Because I don't understand myself. I have been a globetrotter, a journalist, a TV producer, a writer, an ad man, 1,500 campaigns, a political communicator, 20 presidential campaigns around this planet and here for Peter Roman, but always with the same profession, creativity, French lover. There is 3 ways in advertising. The first way is the English way. It starts from the head to go to the heart. It's a little intellectual. The second way is the French way, the European way, your way, my way. It starts from the heart to go to the head. It's a little too much emotional, a little too much sexual, but I love that. And the third way is the American way. It starts from the head to go to the wallet. It's totally rational. I hate that. So, first film, a film made in France. Look.
Alors là, chapeau. Tu montrais là-haut avec ton petit bolide? C'est une GTI.
Il est complètement à la masse.
Ça va décoiffer. Hein.
Équipe 4 sur le pont.
Visa GTI, la GTI sauvage.
Applaud this film. Applaud this film. We never see that again. Never, ever. Why? Because it's a good idea, but it's a big problem. 40 years ago, when I write the script, I said, but now, how I can find an aircraft, a porte-avions, aircraft carrier, and a submarine. So I send a TV producer to Los Angeles and they look at the studio, maybe they can do that, how much cost. And I send another TV producer to Moscow because I have reading the Soviet are selling their all military materials. Say maybe your submarine is there, okay. It's no and yet. So I was totally desperate. And I think there is only one guy who can save me, is the French Republic President, François Mitterrand. I just finished his campaign with a poster, La Force Tranquille. He was just elected. So I phoned to his secretary and said, Marie-Claire, it's named Marie-Claire Papeguet, Marie-Claire, I have a big problem. I need to see the president as soon as possible. It's a question of life or death for my agency. Help me. 2 minutes after, she phoned me, the president is waiting you. Wow. I run to the Élysée. I arrive in the office of the president. The president himself opens the door. And he says, Seguela, you are here. What you need? Mr. President, I just want an aircraft carrier and a submarine. Seguela, you are crazy. What do you want with that? Mr. President, only advertising. What you said, and I have my script. We write that a week ago, and I show you the script. He laughed. He said, "It's a good idea. I give you a yellow submarine and aircraft carrier." It's so great. It's so fantastic when president with aircraft carrier and with submarine make advertising and not the war. Applaud François Mitterrand. It is a president now. We can do that. We can give to his admin a submarine and aircraft carrier. Impossible. There is no country can do that. That is 40 years ago when advertising was see clear, making liberty, making many creativity things. So, I was born in these good old days of advertising. I was in the business before television, before computers, before mobiles, before data, before AI, a happy time. Advertising was poetry, a tagline made a brand. People loved advertising, and admin loved people. And then the world changed for the next one, the digital world. Caution, is a war. I am here with a simple message. Enter in the resistance. Stop the digital despotism. In 60 years, I tried to find the good definition of your job and my job, of creativity, of advertising. And I found only an answer. Ask to a client, there is a client here. You are like a client. Ask to a client the simple question. What happens when snow melts? And the answer is water. It's a client answer. No color, no odor, no flavor, nothing. Not for me, not for you, not for the creative people. When snow melts, it becomes spring. Our job is to do with our campaign eternal sprint. Look at this spot. Every time I see this spot, it's from BETC, our main agency in Paris. I have that. If you have that, stay in here. If you have not that, go out. Film. Advertising is a beautiful sport. Wow, 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 wow. That is advertising. That is creativity, not data. My friends, a brand is a creature of flesh and blood, not an algorithm. If you want our brands to be loved, give them an art, give them a soul. It's the best weapon against dematerialization. Don't become the ad robots of this cyber civilization. Emotion is the oxygen of life, the oxygen of our job. As we go digital, we must take care not to become numbers, losing the essence of humanity, otherness. The other is not a piece of data, it's a subject. Let's not turn it into a currency. 10 years ago, Macan Japan developed the first AI creative director. We are all waiting for their first lion. People say advertising is to have ideas. No. Advertising is to have the ideas. The ideas we sell. Ideas are like spermatozoa. There are billions. But only one goes through the difficulties of life and create a little baby idea. And that is my job, to create little baby idea. It's your job. But when the baby is there, the creative go to see the marketing man. This guy is a marketing man. Look, my baby, what do you think? He said, it's not strategic. It's a little baby. What you are strategic? So make a new copy strategy and come with me to see the client. Here is the client. The client are our ladies. Here is the client. Look at my baby ideas. It's strategic. And the client say, it's not strategic, it's awful. Do you think this kind can sell my product? Never. And he pronounced the worst word in the advertising vocabulary, I need to test. Less test, more testicle. My dear clients, I hope there is clients there. My dear clients, be brave. Advertising is not well. Only you, the advertiser, can give it the wings of desire. It's so simple. You need to be courageous. Your courage is the driving force of our creativity. It's the Hemingway punchline, to have or have not. If you have not, change the job and look at this spot.
Embarqué dans un camion de livraison, et puis j'atterris ici.
Wow!
Hein? T'entends ça, chérie?
Bah oui, c'est fou.
That is creativity! My friends, our job is to be the brand protectors, the bodyguard against dispersion, that sin of the century, the body art against their digitization, that dehumanization of the century. Technology must remain a tool manipulated by human hands in order to create better futures. Technology must not replace humans. Let's refuse the old tech mindset invading our world. Tech without affect is the death of humankind. Tech without ideas is the death of advertising. Stop the tech supremacy. Be hybrid, tech and affect. Some people say that data is a new media. Wrong! The new media is the ID. Data without an ID is like a gun without a bullet. You pull the trigger and nothing comes out. I look, data is the king. No, data is nothing. Only ID is the king. When I open my agency, I fight for my first client, for my first competition. And my client is 65 years. For me, he's an old man. Now he's a young man. He's just in front of me, like you. And I am here. It's my first time I write a spot. And so I said to the guy, your product is a beauty product. So I want to start my spot by the image of the beauty. The image of beauty is Paris, so my first shot is Eiffel Tower. So, second shot, a guy walk to the tower. And when you arrive on the Eiffel Tower, you look the Eiffel Tower. Third shot, a man jump from the Eiffel Tower, it crash here. Wow. So, one more time, the guy looks, and what happened? And he see little thing coming from the Eiffel Tower and go to the dead body. And arrive Packshot and the product, Petrolan, and the solar Logan, Petrolan, delay the air fall. You understand my English? Petrolan retarde la chute des cheveux. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. And the guy say, okay, I phone you soon. He never phoned me. And I know why. This guy has a wig. Wow. So, two spot, great spot. Look at that.
The strong American pairing of Ruthie Lou Jackson and Bertie Weinberger, firm favourites for another gymnastic gold here in Bucharest.
Yes, Stuart, but they've got to prove themselves tonight, and they're going for the highest tariff fault, the flip and dog.
Bertie in the foreground, getting into position, checking angles, line and length. They make it look so easy, but it can go horribly wrong. Perfect landing, bang on target. That surely means another gold for the US. The Americans once again proving masters of the precision vault. Next up then, the Ukrainian pair, Mosienko and Bubka, going for their fourth Trojan gold. Bubka much bigger than last year, an impressive 65 kilograms.
That's right, Stuart. She's like a French goose before Christmas.
Buttocks and chalk, a Bubka trademark.
Mosienko, so at home in a golden vest.
But will he go home with a golden medal? There's the spread. Oh, and there's the hoik. Now can he hold it? Can he hold it? Surely he'll get 3 lights. Yes, he has! Brilliant! Unbelievable scenes here. Mosienko still casting a daunting shadow across the sport of pelvic powerlifting.
Let's not be fooled by this digital world. We need to approach artificial intelligence intelligently. A Miss America jury decided to replace the traditional jury member with AI. Result, all the black candidates were eliminated. Sorry, AI, you are not totally ready. More than ever, we need to put the human touch at the center of our brains and the human spirit at the center of our agency to fight together against its robotification. Artificial intelligence is an encrypted thinking. Humankind has a critical thinking. In artificial intelligence, disruption is a failure. In human intelligence, it's an idea. Goethe, the poet, said, if monkeys could get born, they could turn into human beings. A guy entered in a pharmacy, and he asked to the pharmacist, Madam, I want 1 condom. And the pharmacist said, sorry, I sell this article in box by 10. I can give you 1. And the guy said, okay. I make a deal with you. I pay for 10, and you give me 1. So the pharmacist go to pick a box of Durex. Durex is my brand for the world. I love make advertising for Durex. I come back to my new age, my old age, or young age, I don't know, but I come back. And she go to the box. He take 9 for his lover. I give 1 to the client and say, I am sorry, I need to know, to understand only why we want only 1 condom. And the guy say, Madam, I try to quit. I try to stop. Never quit, never stop. And viva Durex. A spot from our Dutch agency. Go.
Zazu condoms.
Wow.
Fun, sexy, safe.
My friends, my dear friends, let's leave the highway of Total Tech. P&G Chief Brand Officer Mark Pritchard reduced last year their investment in advertising, and he said, we identified $200 million of wasted spending. 1 ad into are viewed for 2 seconds, and 1 into read by bots. And on YouTube, ads run along videos and compatible with our brands. Thank you, Mark. I love you, Mark. Applaud this guy. He spends $2 billion in advertising every year. $2 billion for you, for your ideas. But not for me. I have not the account. Not yet. Mark, call me. But times are bad. times are so bad. My dear, my cute, my fascinating advertising is ill. With the GAFA cancer, I wrote a book about that. Hey, where is my book? Oh, my book is not there. I come back. Well, Mama. Voilà, c'est ça. I come back. Here is the book. Here is the book. Write a book is first, write the first page. If the first page is not good, people don't go to the second page. So I write my first page. If you like, you say like. If you don't like, you say nothing, and I go directly to the airport. One day, I received this email from a good friend in need for a future. I do not have Facebook, so I try to make friends outside the real Facebook, but applying the same principles. Every day in the street, I explain to people what I ate, how I feel, what I did the day before, what I will do tomorrow. I give them photos of my wife, my children, my dog, me washing my car, my wife cooking. I also listen to their conversation and say, I like. And it works. Already 4 people follow me. 2 police officers, 1 psychiatrist, and 1 psychologist. We need to react here and now and start the fight of our life. Havas do that. In joining Vivendi, we became partners with a world leader in content, media, and communication, exclusive positioning in advertising and entertainment. Economic cloud, $25 billion, a major role at the convergence of TV, Canal+, movies and series, Studio Canal, music, Universal Music, video games, Gameloft, publishing, Editis, and advertising, Havas. It's time to create the agency of the 21st century, moving from advertising to advertainment, the post-communication world. And we want to do that without losing our real core value. It's possible to be both bold and sincere, ambitious and honest, a businessman and a moral being, a candidate and not Donald Trump. Advertising needs to be sociological and social, economic and ecological. Enter the resistance.
It's easy to miss the alcoholism of someone close. Our proximity prevents us from spotting the early signs of addiction. AddictAid, an organization specialized in alcohol addiction, wanted to highlight this difficulty. For that, we created an addict.
Louise Delage.
Louise Delage.
Louise Delage.
Louise Delage.
On the 1st of August 2016, Louise Delage appeared on Instagram. Like with any other user, her life looked perfect and carefree. Her account gained a lot of organic followers by using growth-hacking actionable techniques, including trending thematic hashtags, key opinion leaders, and automated bots. In 7 weeks, her photos and videos had over 50,000 likes, but her followers missed the most important thing, until her last post. 24 hours after the reveal, hashtag Louise Delage became a trending topic in France. 2 weeks later, the campaign had been shared 500,000 times, and more than 110,000 people were following her account. Louise Delage was covered by media on every continent. With zero media investments, it generated 1 billion media impressions for 9.8 million of earned media. But the most important result, the campaign raised awareness of our perception of alcoholism.
And the whole point about creating the social media campaign was an attempt to show how easily we can overlook signs of addiction.
19 lions with this campaign. 19 lions in Cannes in one spot, only one spot. We need to contribute to be the society benefactors. Social media and social responsibility are now inseparable. The universal and egalitarian access to the web encourage a pooling of minds, practice, purchase. You have the choice. It can become an overspill for the world's confusion or a place for culture, thinking, and goodness, doing good and doing well. A brand is a living being, not a virtual image. A brand needs to offer more than just a product, more than just an advertising, more than just sales, generosity, and love. Bill Gates himself said, "You are rich of what you give." Splendid, splendid slogan. You are rich of what you give. Bravo, Bill Gates. A brand needs to enter the communication new age based on trust and truth, authenticity and humanity. Advanced more and more in the human fight, day after day, for a better world. Who says that? Paul Polman, the ex-Unilever CEO. Thank you, Paul. I love you too. Advertising is the only job that participates directly to alarm people for this battle. Every year in Cannes, there is 40,000 entries. 40,000 entries. And one becomes the job of the year. Advertising Age, after Cannes, because Cannes, there is 4 Grand Prix, 100 Lions, you don't see nothing. But Advertising Age decides with its own jury the job of the year. That is the job of the year. For a creative director like me, to have the job of the year, I can die. I can die. I can die. Look at the spot.
Tourists were damaging reefs, littering oceans and poaching protected species, their careless behaviour magnified by large numbers. But how could a small local population with limited resources police the high volume of visitors? What if we made the tourists police themselves? Introducing the Palau Pledge, a first-of-its-kind immigration policy for good. All visitors now need to sign an environmental pledge to gain admittance into Palau. Stamped into the passport of international arrivals, the pledge is a formal promise to Palau's children.
Children of Palau, I take this pledge as your guest to preserve and protect your beautiful and unique island
I vow
home.
to tread lightly, act kindly,
and explore mindfully.
I shall not take what is not given. I shall not harm what does not harm me.
The only footprints I shall leave
are those that will wash away.
Children can see the beautiful place as I see today.
We must beware of digital despotism. Today, if you have not launched a startup at 18, you lost your life. Big data is not only big brother, but also big voyeur, big profiter. Caution, my friends. To each of you in this room, I say, don't become the ad boss of this cyber civilization. Machines have abolished slaves. Don't become their slaves. our duty is to fight to protect consumer intimacy and give them more transparency, more privacy. Tech is a new typewriter, but without a writer, there is no typewriter. Human creativity is the writer. We are in a school with young pupils, maybe 8 or 10 years, and the mistress go to the blackboard and design a tree. And she said, in this tree, there are 10 birds. Pass and enter, we kill 3 birds. How many birds remain? And as the first place, a young lady, like you say, 10 years, said, I know, madam, it remains 7. Bravo, says the mistress. That is mathematics, it's a subtraction. But at the end of the class, a young guy said, no, madam, no, I can't accept that. They are not full, the bird. When they see people kill them, they go out. They remain 0. And the mistress says, I understand. You have another way of thinking. You are a poet. You want a beautiful world. You are passionate. But you need to understand life is reason, like mathematics. So keep your another way of thinking and go to more reasonable life. And so the young people say, okay, my turn, madam. In a public garden, in a bench, there is 3 women. The first woman eat an ice. The second woman lick an ice. And the third woman sick an ice. Who is the married woman? And the mistress says, I think it's the third one. Not at all, said young guy. It's the one who have a wedding ring. But I love your way of thinking. Film.
L'homme élégant et soucieux de son confort exige le slip français.
Disaphragazine. My friends, we must escape from the fast food of depersonalization. You must escape from totalitarianism of the tech attitude. Force it to accept the mix of algorithm and human rhythm, inventiveness and sensibility, numbers and poetry. Technological overkill must not kill the need for the brain to create a romantic, almost carnal relationship with the consumer. Enter the resistance. This spot, when the creative, they are French creative for a small new creative agency, come to see me the script, I cry. If you don't cry, leave the room. Look at the spot.
Won't you let me walk you home from school? Won't you let me meet you at the pool? it off my back. Tell him what we said about painted black. Rock and roll is here to stay. Come inside, well, it's okay. Now shake you. Ooh. Tell me what you're thinking of. Would you be an outlaw for my love? If it's so, well, let me know. If it's no, well, I can go. I won't make Won't you tell me what you're thinking of? Would you be an outlaw for my love? If it's so, well, let me know. If it's no, well, I can go. I won't make
Wow, 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 wow. You cry, you cry, you cry. I love you, I love you. She cried. Wow, wow, wow. I marry you. Wow, wow, wow. So I quite finished. One more story, one more film. God created us in His image. Thank God. With the difference that He was created Himself immortal and we mortal. Sorry, God. But He gave us the opportunity to create eternal brands. Coca-Cola celebrates its 120 years anniversary this year, and Citroën is 100 years anniversary. Both have the age of their ads, 20 years, and will be the same thing in 100 years' time. Advertising needs to be of today and eternal. An old monk gave his first philosophy lesson to a young monk, and he said, listen to me, I ask you 3 questions, think and give me an answer. First question, how is the opposite of white? Black, say the no, says the old monk. No, think is a good answer, but think. Second way, what is the opposite of day? And the young monk, during 5 minutes, think and say, Master, I see only one answer. The opposite is night. Great. You think and you give the good answer. Last question. What is the opposite of life? And the young monk, during 5 minutes, think, and his master, I see only one answer. The opposite of life is death. You don't understand nothing, says the old monk. The opposite of life is, comment on dit, la naissance, the birth. The birth, la naissance, birth. That is the story. Every time you make a new campaign, the brain reborn. Look at this one. I do that 42 or 43 years ago with Jean-Paul Goude, and the spot can run today. The spot can have a lion today. That is eternity for brands. And I try to finish. But it's the most important. Nothing great is ever achieved without passion. And advertising is only great when it's driven by passion. A passion shared between the client, the ad man or ad woman, and the consumer. Passion, transform fear into courage, immobility into progress, pessimism into optimism. Optimism invent plans. Pessimism, parachute. Let's fly high and think differently, spend differently, communicate differently, live differently, love differently. The big chance of my life is not my books, my ad, my presidential campaign, my agency. The big chance of my life is love. I have 5 children. I am the only ad man in France to have 5 children with the same wife. They have 5 wives. And with Sophie, my wife, we celebrate our 43 years of big love. We never fight one time. Never a word against another. I never turn back in a bed. It's the total love. And every morning, and last morning, when I awake, she said me, "Oh, I love you, my dear. You are so beautiful." Beautiful? So what happens? A surgeon comes in the night, change my face. So I run to the mirror, I see my ugly face in the mirror, and I say, okay, it's clear. Your wife is still in love because love is blind. And I go to see my mistress. And my mistress is advertising. My friends, my dear friends, allow me as a privilege of age to tell you my secret for a long life. Love creativity and it will love you back. The more you give to it, the more you will receive. The more you glorify it, the more glory it will bring you. The more you reinvent it, the more it will reinvent you. Imagination and passion are the greatest of human virtues, the only viable currency of the future. Our first job is to have ideas. If you have not, find another job and go to Accenture. And you reinvent advertising. A last spot. I am out of order, but last spot. It's my favorite. It's my favorite because it costs nothing, not an euro, not $1, and I do it myself. I arrived in Sao Paulo 10 years ago, and the creative say me, "Oh, you are here. Tomorrow you have a big competition. You come with us to fight." I say, "Okay, show me the job." He say, "It's bullshit. I can sell that." What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. We have a meeting in 8 in the morning. We have 12 hours to change things. And I change things. Look at the spot.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, if you stop, I'll kill you. If you stop, I'll sue you. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, it's delicious. Delicious. Now. 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 Don't stop. Don't stop. Not so much. Not so much. Faster, faster, faster. I don't feel a thing. I don't feel a thing. Put it all in. Put it all in my name.
That is advertising. Wow, 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 wow. I love you. Now is your turn. I go to retire, and I am sure you reinvent advertising with love. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Wow, 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 wow. I kiss you one more time. Come back to see me in Paris. I present you Sophie, my wife. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.